Hi, this is Justin Ball, the owner of the HammerHead store and HammerHead Showers, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to install a high-rise shower arm. These are great to upgrade your shower if your shower head is too low. This will bring it up 10.5 inches without doing really fancy plumbing. It's only going to take a few minutes. Let's dive in. I'll show you how to get this installed. So we have our 10.5 inch shower arm, shower flange. This is made from solid stainless steel and is chrome plated, super thick. You can see the metal here is a very thick gauge, and you want to watch out for that because we're going to be cranking this down on the wall, especially this side, because a lot of them on the market are very thin metal and you don't want that breaking off in your wall. Same with our shower flange. It's got this locking screw, so it'll never fall off the shower arm, which you probably have experienced sometime in your life with the old flange, and it's very thick. This is brass. We also have some thread tape, a hex wrench, which is how you tighten down the shower flange onto the shower arm, and that comes with this set, same as the thread tape. Gonna have a screwdriver, adjustable wrench for the shower head, and then we have a cloth to throw over the drain just to make sure the screw doesn't go down there. Here we go. Well, this shower head is pretty high, so I got my little trustworthy stool here, so don't judge. So I'm gonna take my adjustable wrench here, use that to get started, removing the shower head, okay? And then you wanna make sure that this shower flange isn't sealed to the wall with any silicone. You wanna just take like a little box cutter, scraper, and separate that, loosen that up off the wall. And then the little screwdriver trick is getting that in the arm, and then that'll help loosen that up. And then I have a little wire brush just to clean it up a bit. Before we get this threaded into the wall, what I'd suggest doing is just sliding this over, and then taking the little hex wrench and just tighten this down. That way you don't have to slide it all the way over and potentially scratch the finish. Okay, now that we did that, we'll go ahead and take the thread tape and we're gonna go in a counterclockwise motion, at least 5 turns. There we go. Go ahead and get this started in the wall here. I think that looks pretty good. We can also run some water and test through here, make sure that there's no leaks coming out. And before I do that, I'll go ahead and get the shower head installed. And we'll run some water, test for leaks, and then finish installing this. Just looking right here, if there's any droplets of water coming out, I don't see anything. And then looking up at the shower head, looks good. So we'll finish the installation. So I'll just slide the flange back to the wall, take this wrench, get that nice and tight so this doesn't come off the wall. And then you can fill in the gap right here with just some silicone sealant and get a nice clean look and make sure no water gets inside the wall. So there you have it, the 10.5 inch high-rise shower arm fully installed. Thanks for joining me. I'm Justin Ball, the shower head guy, signing out for now.